So, hello and welcome to a new challenge. Today I will be doing something a little bit different for the last time. I will be doing the every other day Excel and Power Query challenge number 174 by Omid. So I did for quite some time not non-Excel challenge, non-LinkedIn Excel challenge live, but here we are. Sorry for this, guys. I had too much to go around with the Excel esports stuff. Will it open? No, I do not want here. Here we go. Okay. So filter out the rows where there is a greater value within the 2 days before or after the current row. So here, if there is here something larger, it will get filtered out. It isn't. And here, if there's here something larger or here something larger, in this case there are 2 times something, some larger values, then it will also the whole row will also get filtered out. So I will do it in not so good way and a good way. So name this whole thing T. Okay, let's stick with the named table. Values are drop from T, the first column. Here are values. Map value lambda a offset. I will use an offset approach, and as you know, offset is volatile and therefore do not use offset. Reference is A. We switch shift by 2 rows up and the total height is 5 and we want to have the maximum of this whole thing. Close all the brackets. Now we have the maximum by row or by this rule, and if it's now the same as values, then we want to have it included, otherwise we want to have it filtered out, and then we filter the whole table after this comparison here. And we have the values. Yay. Also, you could include here the header, but yeah, nothing too cool here. So, but as I've told you, offset is volatile, and therefore I will use another approach. So it's basically the same. So we use here let and this let statement stuff again. And now we want to map for every row there is a number. Row is v lambda a. Let's see, so we have there our numbers from 1 to 23 because there are 23 rows, and we want to have an index of v and or is row number a, so in this case it's the same as v. And now we are using here index because index is not volatile, therefore I'm using this here. And now we are using here a plus sequence, in this case sequence 5, starting from -2, close the bracket. We have here a calculation error, nothing to worry about, because now we use here an if error then 0, again calculation error, and now a max of this. And you see, we have our solution as before, now with non-volatile functions. No, not here. This should be the same as v. And now we can also filter t if this is the same. And we come to the same result. So you see here 2 solutions, but this solution is the nicer one. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the other videos, and I also have a lot of those competition videos on my channel. Feel free to check them out. See you. Bye.